Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. The topic is similes, tashbihat. Now the question is, what is simile? Simile is a figure of speech involving the comparison of one thing with another of a different kind, used to make a description more emphatic or vivid. For example, as brave as a lion, as pink as a rose. The use of similes as a method of comparison. The first simile is as busy as a bee. शहद की मक्खी की तरह मसरूफ़. She is as busy as a bee. Second is as brave, as bold as a lion. शेर की तरह बहादुर. Next is as ancient as the sun. सूरज की मानंद कदीम. Next is as black as coal. कोयले की तरह काला. Next is as brittle as glass. शीशे की मानद टूट जाने वाला. Brittle mean टूट जाने वाला. Next is as bright as silver. चांदी की तरह चमकदार. For example, the child's teeth as bright as silver. The next is as bitter as a gall. इतना कड़वा जितना कि मरारा. मरारा कहते हैं पित्ते की रतूबत को. The truth is as bitter as a gall, because truth is always bitter. The next is as cheerful as birds. परिंदों की तरह खुश. Birds are always chirping and happy. So for the happiness of someone, we compare it birds. Next is as clear as crystal. बलौर की मानंद शफाफ. We can say her heart is as clear as crystal. Next is as cunning as a fox. लोमड़ी की तरह मकार. We also can say it as sly as a fox. लोमड़ी की तरह मकार. Next is as dark as a dungeon. काल कोठरी की तरह तारीक. डंजन कहते हैं किसी तारीक मकाम को जहाँ कोई उम्मीद ना हो, बिल्कुल अंधेरा हो. सो as dark as dungeon, काल कोठरी की तरह तारीक. Next is as curious as a fish. मछली की मानंद पुरतजस्सस. Next is as deaf as a beetle. भंवरे की मानंद बहरा. Next is as dry as a bone. हड्डी की तरह खुश्क. Next is as easy as ABC. इतना आसान जितनी के ABC. If something is easy for us, we can say this is as easy as ABC. Next is as faithful as a dog. इतना वफादार जितना के कुत्ता. Because the dog is considered as a faithful animal. The next is as fast as light. रोशनी की मानंद तेज. Because light travels more fast than any other thing. The next is as frail as a lily. As frail as a lily. नरगिस के फूल की मानंद नाजुक. The baby's skin is as frail as a lily. Next is as distant as the horizon. इतना दूर जितना के उफ़क़. उफ़क़ कहते हैं, होरिज़न कहते हैं. अगर हम किसी खुली जगह खड़े हैं तो हमें दूर एक बाउंड्री नज़र आती है जहाँ ज़मीन और आसमान आपस में एक दूसरे से मिलते हुए नज़र आते हैं. तो वो बाउंड्री लाइन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड होरिज़न. एज डिस्टेंट एज द होरिज़न. इतना दूर जितना के उफ़क़. नेक्स्ट इज़ एज डेड एज अ डोर नेल. दरवाज़े की कील की तरह मुर्दा. जिस तरह से हम दरवाज़ा खोलते बंद करते हैं लेकिन डोर नेल अपनी जगह पर कायम रहती है, स्टिल रहती है, मूव नहीं करती. नेक्स्ट इज़ एज ब्रीफ एज टाइम. वक्त की तरह मुख्तसर. नेक्स्ट इज़ एज चीप एज डर्ट. इतना सस्ता जितनी के गर्द. वी कैन कंपेयर द थिंग दैट इज़ हैविंग लेस वैल्यू. द नेक्स्ट इज़ as countless as stars. सितारों की मानंद अनगिनत. We can say that the rays are as countless as stars. Next is as bad as itch. इतना बुरा जितनी के हारिश. Next is as killing as a plague. Such as this disease is as killing as a plague. Next is as lazy as a toad, मेंढक की तरह सुस्त. We also can say it as lazy as a lobster, झींगा मछली की तरह सुस्त. Next is as level as a pond, तालाब की तरह हमवार. For example, this floor is as level as a pond. Last is as lean as a skeleton, ढांचे की तरह पतला. If someone is very weak, very thin, so we can say it, he is as lean as a skeleton. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel and like the video and share it with friends.